welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day. So I am pretty excited. I did my first ever FabFitFun edit sale. This was the spring edit sale, and I got a mystery bundle, and it was $29. And it said it's supposed to have a retail value of over $100. So we are going to dive in and see exactly what I got. I love mystery boxes, bundles, bags, all that fun stuff. Hence why I love subscriptions so much, I guess. So, for those of you that are new, we do have a 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on. The link will be down below, so please do enter if you have not already, and make sure you do hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And as always, please do give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below telling me how your day is going and what you thought of the video. So we are going to get into this box, and I did cut the tape, and I almost showed you my dress, but I had it covered up. So when I open it, I actually kind of thought there would be like an actual FabFitFun little box in here, because that's kind of how it was pictured, but it's not. I just see plastic and this. So let's see. So it looks like we have a bag full of goodies. Let me just make sure there's nothing else down in here. Okay. Nothing else. So let's open it up. I'm wondering if I just read that correctly on one of these items. Well, let's just get our handy dandy box cutter and open this bad boy up, because it's in like a knot and I can't get it, and I'm not going to fight with it. So there we go. All right, so that first item here that was on top, this looks like it is from Summer and Rose. This actually looks like a purse. Now this apparently does not have like an information card like a normal FabFitFun would. Okay, so this looks kind of like a crossbody without actually undoing it. Has like a fun tassel here, and it's just a simple khaki colored purse, and it does have like it has paper and like the little Stay Fresh things inside. So this is what we see inside. It says Summer and Rose. So this would be good, you know, if you're going like to a concert, or, you know, out and about and you just need something small and user-friendly. Small and compact, and something you can just easily throw over your shoulder and go about your day. Now, this, I can already tell you, is not something I will use. I have one crossbody purse. It is by Kate Spade, and it is like my Vegas purse, because we do go to Vegas just about every year, and that's really the only time I use a crossbody. I'm a mother, so I need like a big bag that will hold any and everything you can think of. So I have my two go-to Michael Kors bags that I love and hold all of my junk. So I know I won't use this, so I'm kind of okay with item number one. So let's see what else we have in here. Okay. This is from Isaac Mizrahi. And it is a nail file. It It's a crystal nail file. This glass nail file is more durable than most and can be washed and sterilized for repeated use. The handy travel case makes it easy to groom on the go. I know I've seen Summer and Rose products in FabFitFun. I don't know that I have seen any Isaac Mizrahi products. I know this is like a Target brand, or at least some of his products are at Target. And again, this isn't something I'm really going to use. I get my nails done. I don't really need a nail file. So item number 2 is kind of just not for me. But again, this is the chance you take with a mystery bundle, bag, box, whatever. So yeah. So we have a glass nail. I mean, I think the concept of this is pretty awesome. Again, it's just not something I'm going to use. So I'll set this to the side for a giveaway for one of you guys. Now, this is what I was curious about. Yeah. Okay, so unless I missed, because I thought that these would all be products that were in FabFitFun boxes or things you could, buy through their shop. This I do not recall ever seeing. And I'm really kind of like, are you serious? It is by the brand Snuggie. We all know a Snuggie. Compression socks. I mean, am I out of the loop? Did I miss a box where there were some compression socks inside FabFitFun? It says it's unisex sizing, large, extra large. It's for women's shoe size 8.5 to 12, and men's shoe size 8 to 11.5. Prevents swollen ankles and tired legs on long flights. Breathable fabric keeps feet warm even on the draftiest planes. Compression therapy improves circulation and reduces muscle fatigue. So yeah, I am just, and it says travel and sport. You can see obviously a plane, but I don't wear compression socks. When I worked at the hospital, I did have a pair that I would wear because I was on my feet all day, and nursing shoes are not necessarily the most comfortable shoes. So I would occasionally wear some compression socks, like I said, being on my feet all day. But this is just something that's baffling me to be in a FabFitFun, even though it's a mystery box or bundle. This is just another okay item. So we have one more item. And this is from Jennifer. This is from Jennifer. I'm just baffled. This is from Generation Clay. Urban Defense Purifying Pink Clay Mask. Refine, purify, brighten, and soothe. It says made in Australia. Apply an even layer to clean dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse off your mask in circular motions and then lightly pat your skin dry. Now, and this is what it looks like. I'm sorry. This is a good size. It's 75 milliliters, so just over 2.5 fluid ounces. So I'm actually okay with this because I have tons of sheet masks. You guys know I love my sheet masks, but I don't really go for other facial masks like this, like clay or mud mask or things like that. But I have heard amazing things about the pink Australian clay mask. So I'm actually glad to have this. Do I think this was worth $30? No, I don't. The other items, obviously, combined, these 4 items are supposed to be worth over $100. I could see that with the Summer and Rose products, I do know that they have a higher value. This, I'm sure, was probably a $20 or $25 item. I guess I'm just kind of spoiled, to be honest, with subscription boxes and getting more bang for your buck. Here, I don't really feel like, for me personally, that happened, just because that's not a purse that I would use. The nail file doesn't do me any good. Like I said, I get my nails done. I actually had them done today. And compression socks. This I will use. The other three, probably not. So, like I said, I'll definitely be putting the nail file into a future giveaway, so be on the lookout for that. I do think it's really awesome, a glass nail file. You know, it's something you can sterilize. That's great. And use it over and over, and it has the travel case, so you can easily put it in your purse if you chip a nail or something. But, you know, again, like I said, with getting mine done in gel polish, I can't really file my nails. It'll mess them up. So, but this, again, I am very excited for. So, this was the FabFitFun mystery bundle from their spring edit sale. Let me know down below if you picked one of these up. Did you get these same items? Have you gotten these before and received similar items? Just kind of like off the wall. Compression socks? That is just seriously like got me baffled. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, let me know down below your thoughts, and I hope you all have a fantastic day. I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.